cut up in a video. I'm back in my city, folks. So look, I ain't gonna lie, the traffic is stupid heavy. I would've got some video going like the whole way up here type shit. But it was too much going on. Like just right now, I almost missed a fucking exit. Like that shit is toxic, folks. But yeah, like niggas is going extra slow for no reason, bro. Like, so soon as you know, as soon as I get going, I got y'all, folk. I got y'all, folk. Bitch. 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 I ain't gonna lie, bro. I missed the biddy, folk. I missed this shit, nigga. Like, y'all just don't understand, but the vibes was crazy down here, bro. Y'all just don't fucking know, my nigga. But look, though, since y'all said, you know, since y'all said I don't cut up, woo, this and that, we ready to cut up, folk. We ready to cut the fuck up, bro. Cause, bro, like, y'all niggas told me, bro, your boy do not cut up, bro. Like, that's so crazy. I can't even cut up with the fucking hat with my trucker, nigga. I can't even do that shit. Flew right off. What we bumping today, folk? Lil Double O. You already know what the fuck going on. Let's get busy, folk. Let's get busy. And I'm not stopping. Oh, shit. And I'm in the wrong fucking lane. Oh, my God. Yeah, I gotta get this shit. Oh, my God. I'm in the wrong fucking lane, bro. What the fuck? I got these people over here looking at me too. Like, they like, what the fuck is going on? Hold on, bro. I haven't been in the city in a fucking minute, bro. Yo, nigga in the wrong fucking lane, nigga? That is crazy. Like, what? Them over there staring at me and shit. I even got this bitch in sport. It's gonna be light after life, folk. I can't even get on it. I ain't gonna hold you. Fuck. That's wild. Y'all tell me I don't be getting busy. That shit nuts. It's cool though. I like all that shit, bro. Like, I gotta watch out for the feds. I ain't trying to get slick. Oh God, I'm not. Feds right there. Ah, shit. 50 Red Sport. We not ready to go down there. That shit's slow. That shit's packed. Actually, I gotta get the fuck from downtown. It's hella feds down here. This shit hella packed. There's a Fed and a Charger right there. He ready to flick somebody. Let's see, but this nigga's niggas don't be knowing what the fuck they doing down here. Please, I used to be all down that bitch over there. I don't even know if y'all see that shit. At corner store over there, that shit. But that chicken is gas. I ain't gonna hold you. You gotta smack that chicken, folk. That shit pressure, nigga. I got OG, he staring. He already know what's up. Damn, they posted. I used to be right here, posted on this corner. I used to be at J&M every day, but that shit has changed. It look crazy though. J&M every fucking day, nigga. That's wild. I'm ready to tell y'all about the Dinos. My niggas in on the G8. Y'all trying to go Elliott? You ready to Elliott? I don't know what that been right there. That shit new. Park over there, niggas be fat over there every day, bro. Niggas is out every fucking day, folks. I gotta chill out. Niggas finna get on my ass. That's wild. Then a Hemi in front of me too. I need to push that bitch. I need to hear that bitch scream, nigga. I'm ready to throw my hat on. Throw that shit low as fuck. That nigga, he's sliding. stop to turn right here. That's wall on a green. Churches. I forget it's where the Africans be at. They be all down throughout this motherfucker, bro. Or that blue HEMI I was talking about, I ain't know this nigga was all the way down here. That's crazy. Fucking King shit, nigga. Then they shooting trick dice on that motherfucker. He looking at me, think, I'll follow you. Bro, them looking at me.